Hello and welcome back to Pably. In this video, we are going to understand how to capture LinkedIn lead ads and store them in HubSpot CRM automatically. So I'm running some LinkedIn ads over here, and here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through my LinkedIn lead ad, then automatically I want to create that lead as a new contact in my HubSpot CRM account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my LinkedIn account with my HubSpot CRM account using an automation software named as Pably Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here on my screen you can see my LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager account, and here I've already drafted a test campaign. So basically here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through my LinkedIn ads, then automatically I want to add that lead as a new contact in my HubSpot CRM account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my LinkedIn ads with my HubSpot CRM account using an automation software named as Pably Connect. So here to access the Pably Connect, you need to search for pably.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pably Connect. So this is the homepage of Pably Connect, but here before moving forward, let me all tell you about the Pably community. So this is the Pably community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pably community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pably community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pably Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on the sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pably apps window where you can see all the applications of Pably such as Pably Connect, Pably subscription billing, Pably email marketing, Pably form builder, Pably email verification, Pably hook and Pably chat flow. So you can see one software with so many useful applications. So in this video, we are going to integrate our different applications, and for that we are going to use Pably Connect by clicking on this access now. Now this is the dashboard of Pably Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner, and then it is asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options, one is new beta and the another one is classic. So basically beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video we are going to use this newly launched feature, that is beta version, by clicking on the select button given over here, and then a create workflow dialog box has appeared in front of us. So here we need to give a name to our workflow. So I'm going to give the name as capture LinkedIn lead ads and store them in HubSpot CRM automatically. And now you have to giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pably Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pably Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pably's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So we are going to click on this add trigger button, and here as you all know that I am receiving new leads through my LinkedIn ads. So I'm going to select my trigger application as LinkedIn and my app event as lead notifications. Then we are going to click on this connect, and here to build a new connection I'm going to select add a new connection. If your LinkedIn account is already connected with Pably Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection I'm going to click on this connect with LinkedIn. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my LinkedIn account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your LinkedIn account in the same browser. And if not so, then you are going to build a new connection and it is going to ask for the username and the password of your LinkedIn account. And once you're going to add those details, then automatically your LinkedIn account is going to get connected with Pabbly Connect smoothly. Alright, let's move forward. It is asking me to select the sponsored account. So now here to get the sponsored account name, let me take you all to my LinkedIn Campaigns Manager account. So this is my LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager account, and here you can see the account name, that is Pabbly's ad account over here. So we are going to select that particular account from this drop down menu, and then we are going to click on the save and send as request given over here. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, that means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our LinkedIn lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me all take you back to my Campaigns Manager account. So this is my Campaign Manager account, and here I've already drafted a campaign under which I've already drafted a test lead form. So I'm going to select this particular campaign over here, and this is the test lead form. And now here what we are going to do is that we are going to click on the Apply Now button given over here. So this is the test lead form that I've created, and here it is asking me to enter the email address and the phone number, whereas the first name, last name and the company name are the static values. That means these are the fixed values and we cannot add all these details. So basically the reason behind this is that this is a test lead form, but if you're running a live lead form, then automatically your lead can add all these details. Alright, so now here to do a test submission, we are going to enter the email address as demo@pabblytudes.com, and here for the phone number we are going to enter a random phone number. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the submit, and you can see it says information sent to Pabbly. That means we have successfully generated a test lead in our LinkedIn lead ad. So let's go and check out Pabbly's workflow, and here we need to wait for some seconds to receive a response. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the email address, phone number, first name, last name, and the company name of our lead with some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our LinkedIn, then automatically I want to add this lead as a new contact in my HubSpot CRM account. So for that, I'm going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as HubSpot CRM and my app event as create a contact. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your HubSpot CRM account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with HubSpot CRM. And here it is requesting for the access, so I'm going to select the account first, and then I'm going to click on this choose account. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So again, it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my HubSpot CRM account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your HubSpot CRM account in the same browser, or else it is going to ask for the HubSpot CRM account details while building a new connection. Alright, let's move forward, and here it is asking for the street address, age and some other fields. So here these fields are not a required field, so I'm going to leave all of them blank for now. Let's scroll it a little down. Again, this city is also not a required field, so I'm going to leave it blank. And here for the company name, I'm going to enter the lead's company name over here. So now here, instead of entering the name manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new lead to our LinkedIn lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the company name, I'm going to map the company name over here. So this is the company name. Here these fields are not required fields, I'm going to leave all of them blank. Here for the email address, I'm going to map this email address. Again, these fields are not required fields, so I'm going to leave it blank. Here for the first name, I'm going to map the first name. Scrolling little down. Here you can select the original traffic source as well, or also you can select the buying role. Let's move forward. Here for the status, I'm going to select active. You can select it as per your requirement. Again, these fields are not required fields, so I'm going to leave all of them blank. And here for the lead status, I'm going to select new. Scrolling little more down. Here these fields are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave all of them blank. And here for the WhatsApp phone number, I'm going to map the phone number over here received. And here for the last name, I'm going to map the lead's last name. Scrolling little more down. Again, these fields are not required fields, so I'm going to leave it blank. Here for the mobile phone number, I'm going to map the same mobile number. And here these fields are not required one. Again, for the phone number, I'm going to map the same phone number that we have received. And here these fields are not required fields, so we are going to leave all of them blank. And now here, after entering all the required details, we are going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact in our HubSpot CRM account. So let's go and check it. And here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name Pabbly Subscription Billing Management Service. Here you can see the email address and the phone number of the contact. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as LinkedIn and our action as HubSpot CRM. So that when you're going to receive a new lead through our LinkedIn lead ad, then automatically that lead should be created as a new contact in our HubSpot CRM account with all the lead details. Alright, so these were the steps to how to capture LinkedIn lead ads and store them in HubSpot CRM automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.